Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have watched my previous sessions, and this is another tip on Node.js, that is using the env port variable whenever we have to set this port for the environments. Okay, so let's dig into it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe for more videos, interesting sessions on Node.js and other technical technologies. Okay, so let's get started. So why to use process.env.PORT? Okay, so here mainly the first thing is the conflicts. Okay, so avoid conflicts with the other applications or services running on the same machine. Okay, so by allowing the port number to be configured dynamically, so you don't have to hard code it. It will be configured in the env part. It will be dynamic, there won't be any conflicts. Okay, flexibility across environment, yes, that is one of the key thing, where easily switch between the development, test or production environment without modifying the application code. Okay, then it's easier deployment, like simplify deployment process by adhering to the environment specific configurations and practices. So it's very easy when you set this port in the env, right? You don't have to hard code anywhere. It's all dynamically pulled from your code, and per environment you can set it, like if you want different ports, you can set it for the environments. Okay, so now let's see how to use this port as an environment variable, right? There were a detailed session being done earlier in my Node.js series, where you can see like how to set up the environment and stuff. But here in this one, I'll just give you a quick example on the port alone. Okay, so so whenever you have to set any variables, you have to use the .env, which is explained in the previous sessions. So .env model is required. So and with that we will also have to create a .env file. So what I'll do here is port equal to one, and give 4000. Okay, this is my port. So now if I have to use this particular port anywhere, right? So it's just I'll show you the previous examples which I have shown in detail. So maybe I can take up the Express server. Let me see if I can find examples on Express where I can show directly in that particular code. Okay, looks like it's not there. That's okay. So what I'll do here is I'm just going to create one example for you guys. So let me see if I have create. Okay, so I think we can use this example. Okay, so here if you see, I have hard coded the port, correct? So instead of this, what I can do here is, right, so I don't have to hard code this port anytime. It should be always dynamic, right? So port equal to process dot env dot port. Okay, this is how you can access the port and use this port into your here, so that it won't be hard coded. So next time if you want to deploy this particular code into a different environment, right, always you can the .env, that's an environment variable for your systems, right, for your servers. So you have to set it only there. The code you don't have to change, right? That is one of the key thing on why to use this .env to handle the port. Okay, And here also, since I gave an example, but to load the .envs, right, you need to actually require a module which is already shown in this particular example. I can just open that. Yes, this one. Okay, you have to load the .env and then you have to config it. Okay, once it is done, if you have this .env variable or any environment variable set in the server, that gets loaded to this particular code and can be accessed. Okay, this is about how to use the port or any other variables in your code dynamically, so that per environment it is handled dynamically. Okay, so this is one of the tip which we have to consider uh, when we are using when we are writing code in Node.js. So I hope everybody has an idea now on this particular session. And if you want to learn more on it, or if you have any specific questions or queries, please go ahead and put your comments in the comment box, where I'll be taking up and addressing it. And if you need any specific help on any topics, please go ahead and provide it. I can provide a detailed explanations or another sessions on that particular topic. So thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you all.